Okay, everyone, Chuck and I are headed out here as this is Fain Road, heading out to the...
Good morning, YouTube. This is Chuck Gentles, and here we are again, not in the desert. The desert got hot, and as you can see, truck is full. So this is going to be a load of scrap going to the scrapyard. And this back here is the steel. It's full to here, and there's 8 buckets of steel there. You can see the brass right there. And that whole first row is insulated wire. Second row is all aluminum. And you can see the extruded standing up there. So we're going to take this scrapyard, see how we do. And I got to show you one other thing. So the bags wouldn't tear. These bags are full of cans. There's 2 55-gallon bags here. And don't know what that's getting. My son, when he scrapped out some cans, I think he got 45 cents a pound for them. So I don't think we're getting that in Arizona, but we'll see. All right, I do this, and I think it was the last video or the one before. This is that step that goes on the tire to get you in and out of the truck, because it's going to be a lot of trips in and out of this truck, setting stuff on the tailgate, and then dumping it up there, because we got to unload ourselves, everything. So Cheryl's going to go with me. She's my mining partner and my scrapping partner. All right, be back.
Okay, everyone, Chuck and I are headed out here as this is Fain Road, heading out to the scrapyard, a little ways out, and then we're going to turn off and unload all this stuff. Okay, this is the turn in. It's up here by Sunbelt Rentals, outside of Prescott Valley on the outer loop. And then as you can see ahead of us here, I think we got some Java pine metal.
That's where we're going.
You can't see it real good here, but
their road is wonderful.
all right, so geez, there's a few of them porta potties. I don't know if they're scrapping those or not, but yikes, that'd be a... Oh, look at this, everyone. It's a bunch of dumpsters. Yeah, maybe those are being scrapped.
So let's see if we can get up on the scale.
Bump.
Yes, it is. Test our backing up skills. Where is he? Get this on. I can't see it.
Got the back truck backed up. Scrap metal. Good morning from Prescott Valley, Arizona. This is where the yard is. My goodness, he's making so much noise over there. There he goes, just gonna start throwing. Over here on this pile, this is where the guy wanted it. Just give you a little scan of what all is going on here. Look at all of this. Holy schmoly. Whew. Okay. Got a little bit of junk and scrap going here. So isn't this fun watching Chuck? You got to watch him tear all this stuff apart and put it in buckets. And now he got all this in here, and we're up here, and he's getting rid of it. And he's going to get a couple dollars for it, we hope. Can you believe this guy here? We're getting up there in years. CNS mining and CNS scrapping, but goodness sakes, keeps us alive and going, and well blessed at times if we get a few bucks for it.
Here's how we did. We had 580 pounds of steel, prepared steel. And if you look right there, that's 4.5 cents a pound. So it actually went down from the bad price that it was before. It was 5.5. So anyhow, that's 26.10 on the steel. So then we got the rest of our stuff, aluminum cans. I had it's 40 cents a pound, and we had 10 pounds, so we got $4. Painted aluminum at 36 cents a pound, 16.92. Copper bearing, I'm not sure what that is, but it was 5 cents a pound and got 60 cents. So I don't know what that is. Number one wire, which to me is insulated wire, 70 cents a pound, 37.10. Yellow brass, I had 20 pounds net because I had a tear of 3. $1.42 a pound, 28.40. So grand total is about $117. No, $113. Yeah, $113 between this ticket and that one. So not bad for a little jaunt up the road. It was a nice drive. Wish there could have been more, but Cheryl helped me a lot. The two of us worked together on that. So I guess I'll have to give her half for her participation in. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I know this isn't what you were expecting, but this is what you got. Thank you again for watching. Glad you enjoyed. Be back. All right, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe, ring the bell for future notifications, give a great comment, and come back soon. Thank you so much for watching.